Oh, thank you for watching this video. This video is brought to you by newqbo.com. So this is our website. This is our QBO blog. We have all kinds of great articles and video tutorials to help you. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about setting up and applying automatic late fees and invoices in QuickBooks Online. Setting up and applying automatic late fees on invoices in QuickBooks Online. And we have all kinds of free video tutorials. We have posted on QuickBooks on YouTube. So be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channels if this is helpful to you. youtube.com/VP Controller. We have two channels. One is VP Controller, the other one is QuickBooks QBO. So I'm going to go to QuickBooks Online and I'm going to show you how to set up this late fees. Okay, so I'm going to go to settings, account and settings from the gear icon in here. Gear icon. Okay, and then I'm going to go to sales. So this is sales in here, sales, and late fees is right here. It's still on beta stage, but I'm going to show you how this thing works at this time. So you can select default, and you can charge flat fee. You know, in this case I have $30. You can also charge percentage if you select the percentage in here, and then if you want you can select both flat fee and percentage. Alright, and then you can allow grace period, whatever grace period you want to give. Let's say the invoice is due on first, they haven't paid it, but they have additional 7 days to pay it or receive the payment, and after that it automatically apply late fees on the invoice. Alright, once you save it, okay, so once you save it, what happens is I'm going to show you. So it will happen two things. One is it will create a new product and service items. So they will call it late fee here. So you don't need to create this. The moment you set the late fees in gear settings and save it, it automatically create late fee item. And let's see how this is set up. Okay, late fee in here, and also one thing is it will also create late fee income in your chart of accounts, so you don't need to create that one either. So it's at the bottom, it's part of the other income. It's the other income. It's not on top side your income, but it's under the other. That means it will show up at the bottom of your P&L. Okay, so this is how it's automatically set up, and you can make this non-taxable or taxable when you set up this. Okay, and I'm going to go to chart of accounts. So you'll see it at the bottom in here, late fee income, like this. Account type is other income, and the detail types, and the late fee income. So this is also automatically created when you set up late fees from the gear icon. Okay, so I already done a few invoices in here and have some late invoices. So if you run the report from here, you will see it. As you can see here, you will see all the late fees. In my case, I have just set up $30 late fee, and in this case I created invoice on 11/27, and late fee applied on December 28th. So this was like 1 month. The other one, net 30. The other one is due on receipt, but they haven't paid it yet, so late fee kicks on right away. So there's no grace period in this example, so you can apply grace period. Okay, so if you look at the P&L now, where would you see this? You will see it at the bottom. Okay, I'm going to go to reports, P&L. You'll see this right here at the bottom in here. Okay, so if you click it, it will go to the same place. So right here. Okay, so now I'm going to go to customer side. Alright, so let's see it. Let's show you how it's created the late fee on invoices. Okay. Okay, let's see in here. As you can see here, so this one was due on receipt on 27, that they haven't paid it. So on 28, they create automatically, QuickBooks automatically created a late fee and added in here. So $30. So they will update your invoice. So you can't do it right away, so you have to let them do it. So it takes like overnight, and they will do it sometime early in the morning. It's automatic thing, so it's a late fees apply. When you create invoice, and you have to wait until this the invoice is past due. So this is how it works. As you can see here, I created this invoice on 27, and I said due on receipt, so immediately. This is kind of harsh one. Normally you'll have some terms, but I wanted to do it right away to show you. Okay, so now it's basically updates your invoice once they're unpaid. So when you create an invoice, it's AR, and they added late fee income when this is past due. Okay, so now in this case it's $30 flat on all customers, and if you want to make this customize it based on customers, you can do that too. Okay, so in this case late fees right here. So when you go to customers, you will see transaction list, project. In this case I have projects, customer details, and then the late fees column here. So you can make this, you can customize this based on your customer. Let's say in this case I want to do 15%, and grace period, let's say I want to give 7 days, and I don't want to apply sales tax, and this, you can apply both flat fee and percentage too if you want. So you can apply like this, $30, or you can change this to $15, whatever amount you want. So in this case now I have 15% and $15. Save it. Okay, it's already saved. So this is how it works. Hope the video is helpful to you. Thank you for watching. Be sure to visit our website and subscribe our YouTube channels. Thank you. Bye.